Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this basic part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here. The pitch is 80 and 100 mm, thickness is 10 mm and diameter 40 and diameter 20. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select extrude, select the top plane, create circle, give the dimensions, the pitch is 180, now give the constraints here, horizontal, create line here, give the tangent constraint, create dia 20 circle also, trim entities, trim these lines, finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm is okay. Next select this surface, sketch, create one rectangle here, or we need this flange, thickness is 20, So select the surface, sketch, create one circle first. The dimension is 60 mm, diameter, height is 80 minus 60, 80 minus 30, 50. So give the dimension. Create line like this. Trim entities, trim this circle. Next there is a slot 30 length and I have 15. For that select slot, give the dimension, so finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 20. Next select the surface, sketch, create one line like this, give the dimension, (50), finish sketch, select rib here, offset this rib, thickness is 6 mm, mirror this rib, select the mid plane. So Ctrl 7 for ISO view. So that's the today's session, friends. So now we can assign the material here. Metal, in the metal, aluminum, polished aluminum. So we can assign polishes here. So as per your requirement you can assign. So thanks for watching this session, friends. Once again I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. We'll see you in the next video.